In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and share documents in HubSpot. Whether you're collaborating with a team or managing client relations, knowing how to conveniently share documents is crucial. We'll go through a simple process that will enable you to upload documents to HubSpot and then easily share them with others. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot website. Opening your preferred web browser, type in the HubSpot URL and head over to their homepage. Once you're there, make sure to locate the login button, which can be found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to log into your account. If you have your login information saved, great. Otherwise, you might have to input your details. Once you're at the login page, a simple way to log in is by selecting Sign in with Google. If you've set up this option, it's a quick and secure method to access your account. Choose your Google account from the list, and just like that, you're in. Now that you're logged in, look for the Sales section. Clicking on Sales is your next step. It might take you a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to HubSpot, but don't worry, it's pretty intuitive. Under the Sales category, you'll notice an option called Documents. Go ahead and click on Documents. This is the area where you can manage any of the documents you choose to upload to HubSpot. Next, you're going to want to upload the document you intend to share. Look for the Upload Document button. It's usually situated at the top of this section. Click it, and you'll see an option labeled Your Computer. Selecting this will allow you to browse your computer files, find the document you want to upload, select it, and start the upload process. This should take just a few moments depending on the file size. Once your document has been uploaded, you'll be able to see it listed in the Documents section. Click on the uploaded file to open its details. Here, you'll find a Create Link option. This is your tool for sharing documents. Clicking on Create Link will prompt you to type in the email address of the person you want to share it with. After entering the appropriate email, you simply click on the Create Link button to generate a shareable link. You can copy this link directly from HubSpot. With this link ready, you have a couple of options. You can either share it directly through any messaging or email platform, or, if you prefer, compose an email directly within HubSpot to notify the recipient. And there you have it. Your document is now uploaded and shared. It's a straightforward process, but an invaluable skill to master for efficient teamwork and resource management. Happy sharing!